morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday. I'm currently on my way to the nail shop. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me for vacation type of video. I'm going to be going out of town Friday. Yeah, so I'm trying to get prepared early so I'm not rushing at the last minute. So I plan to get my nails done, my eyebrows done, and then I'm getting my hair braided today. So yeah, that's gonna be exciting. I can't wait to get braids. It's been a little minute since I had braids and I just want to let my hair breathe. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I don't have an appointment because my nail tech didn't text me back, so I'm just gonna pull up on her and be like, I'm here, anybody can do my nails at this point. But yeah, and then I'm gonna pack. Well, I already have stuff that I know I'm gonna wear out, so then I'm just going to basically just be putting stuff in the suitcase. I'm trying to be like really prepared ahead of time so I'm not rushing last minute, because I'm a last minute type of person when it comes to traveling. So yeah, so I'll let y'all see when I get to the nail shop. Let's go. Y'all, look at the brows. She got me right. Nails done. I got this pretty OPI bubble bath color. But y'all, let me tell y'all, these brows today, the plucking, it's been a minute since I got my eyebrows done, and they needed it bad, and it felt it. Like, I felt all the pain today. But it's okay, because they cute. They look good. It's much needed. So yeah, I'm about to grab me something to eat because I'm hungry, and then go get my hair braided. So I'll check back in with y'all. Yeah, once I start getting my hair braided. All right, y'all. It is the next day, and as you can tell, my braids is done. I'm really feeling this color that I got. I don't know what color this is. I just picked up some hair at the beauty supply store. But anyway, so I'm about to get ready to pack. I already have what I'm taking on a trip, or what I plan to take on a trip on the floor already. So the goal is, because I'm only taking a carry-on bag and my Neverfull bag, the goal is to get everything into the carry-on and then have like the overflow stuff in my Neverfull bag. So that is what I'm about to get ready to do today. Let me show y'all. Sorry, I had y'all propped up. Let me show y'all everything that I have so far. So this is everything. Here are some shoes that I'm gonna be taking. Everything I have is like color coordinated. For the gram, do it for the gram. But I got dresses. I do have a teal dress there, but swimsuits, shorts, everything. I'm about to lay everything out on the bed, and then I am going to start packing it into my suitcase. Okay, so this is the suitcase. I wanted to show you guys this shoe bag here, and I got this from Express. Bought some shoes from Express or something, and they gave me this. So the plan is to grab your heels. So I'm taking a pair of black heels and a pair of nude heels, and I just fold them like they're in a shoebox, and then I just go ahead and put them into the bag. And I do the same thing. I put both pairs, so I'm putting both pairs in the same bag. got these as well that are gonna go here. So basically for these, I'm just gonna keep these flat. Keep those flat there. So I got 5 pair of shoes that I'm taking. Alright, so now moving on to the clothes. First I have the dresses and a tip for packing clothes. I like to, yes, you can roll them, but I like to fold them and make them as, like the folds as small as possible, if that makes sense. So, like that. Okay, so now that I have everything folded, I'm gonna start putting everything into the suitcase. Okay, so I'm also putting my sleepwear in this suitcase. I usually take like 2 different, a short set and then a pants set. So this is gonna prop right in the corner on top of them other clothes. I'm gonna wear gym shoes, so I don't have to worry about socks. Okay, so I want to show you guys what I'm working with. Let me zoom out a little bit, sorry y'all. Yeah, so everything is pretty much in here. A few last minute things that I have to get. I do have to get one more swimsuit, and little like travel size stuff. So once I have all of that, my suitcase will be 100%. Okay guys, that is gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys were able to pick up some tips on how to pack for your next trip. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram at glamour_chick and my design page at the Glamour Effect Designs. Tell your friends and family to subscribe. That way y'all can find out exactly where I am going. I'm super excited for my trip. And I'm glad, y'all. I'm happy, pat myself on the back for being prepared and packed like early, days early. That way, if I need to add anything, I can just add it as I go. But yes, I was able to get majority of, everything into the carry-on. Probably have a few things that I have to put into my other bag, but that is it. That is all. I'm signing out, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.